Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can make a subscribe button and add it to your videos in order to get more subscribers in 2019. But with that said, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so the first thing we have to do in order to add a subscribe button into our videos is actually go on to Google and search for it. Okay guys, so all we have to do is come here on Google and just type in subscribe PNG 800 by 800. Now these are the dimensions that I found that actually work for my videos, so I do recommend for you guys to use them. So as you can see here are the results, and all you have to do is just look for one that you actually like, and once you find that one, all you have to do is select on it and then just make sure that that's the one that you like. And once you got that down, all you have to do is just right click on the image and hit save image as. And as you can see, the little save window has popped open into what folder we're going to save it in, and I'm just going to choose this one. And all we have to do is, if you guys want to rename it, you guys can, but all you have to do besides that is just hit save, and then you should have your image saved onto your computer. Okay guys, so the next step is actually going into YouTube, and as you can see, I'm in the YouTube homepage. Now all you have to do is click on your channel icon like I'm doing right here. Now a little menu drop down should appear, and all I have to do is just click on the YouTube Studio Settings button. Okay guys, so once we're in the YouTube Studio Settings, we can actually start. Now if you guys do not prefer using the YouTube Studio Analytics board, you can actually go down here on the corner and you will find the Classic Studio Settings button that you guys can do it from there too. But besides that, all we have to do is click on Settings, go to our channel page, and then click on the branding button. And as you can see, it gives you this little watermark down in the corner representing where your watermark or subscribe button would be during your video. Now this is basically pretty simple and straightforward to do. You just read what it says, and then all you have to do is actually choose image, and then the little folder should appear where you guys saved your YouTube subscribe button. And all we have to do is just look for the one that you guys wanted, just hit open, but first you have to select it, and then you guys can hit open in order to open the file. And then as you can see, the settings change and we can see our subscribe button right there over our video. Now you guys can put your customs time or your end of video time, but I suggest to do the entire video that way, so whenever people are watching your videos, they can subscribe throughout any time throughout your videos, and those viewers can actually become potential subscribers. But that's pretty much it. Once you're done, just hit the little save button and the window should automatically close, and you will have a new subscribe button on your videos. So right now I'm in one of my videos, and as you can see in the bottom corner, we can see the subscribe button right there throughout the video. Now if we hover over the subscribe button, we can see that this little menu pops up giving the channel name, the number of subscribers, and the option to subscribe to the channel. So that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it, but something quickly I wanted to mention was that this can be implemented with the channel logo, any other watermark branding that you guys may want to add as a subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. But that's pretty much it. See you on the next one.